Hi guys, let's interview our young data scientist for the day.
I'm doing Python operators in Python. That is the title for the video today. And I am...
What are we going to do today? Let's see. Punta tayo dito sa ating operators in Python. Ano, Sophia, yung mga operators natin? Meron tayong
Is equal is equal to.
Equal is equal to. The not equal to is the exclamation point. We have is less than, is greater than, and is less than or equal to.
Is greater than or equal to.
So, yan. So, we're doing this on our
MacBook
Python tutorial on the MacBook. So, yan. We have here
See?
Sophia's age. We got
Pancake.
Pancake.
My
Pancake
cat.
is the cat of Sophia. So there,
PSG.
we tested it. So you can see true or false, whichever will result to it. So that's it. So we have an error because we had the wrong spelling. We didn't put the letter S. So there's our first video. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Bye guys.